How to make ginger tea for allergic reactions. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to here, then please subscribe my channel with click on bell icon so that you never miss any latest upcoming video. The harmful substances, allergens, mistakenly identified by the immune system can be anything from food to medication to environmental allergens. The immune system overreacts to these allergens and produces histamine, which is a chemical that causes allergy symptoms or an allergic reaction. Normally, the immune system creates antibodies to fight off foreign substances so you don't get sick. An allergic reaction can cause mild symptoms related to different parts of your body that may include your airways, nose, skin, mouth and digestive system. To mild and cure the allergic situation, here is ginger tea. First of all, one should know about the properties of ginger. Ginger. It is an effective remedy that you should try to get relief from different types of allergic reaction symptoms. It works as a natural antihistamine and, in fact, it works better than antihistamine drugs at stopping inflammation. It also has antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. It can help get rid of allergy-related symptoms like nasal congestion, a runny nose, a cough and a headache. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found ginger to be effective in prevention or alleviation of allergic rhinitis symptoms. How to use ginger. You can use ginger tea for the allergic treatment. How? Here is how to make ginger tea. Take a piece of ginger and peel it off, then convert ginger into grated form. Take a cup of water and pour into saucepan, then put a teaspoon of ginger into it, also add a clove of garlic, and then boil to make tea. After that, strain it into a cup, and add by squeezing juice of fresh lemon into it. Here is one more thing, the honey. Put a spoon of honey into the cup and mix well. Now, ginger tea is ready. Drink this ginger tea 2 or 3 times daily during the allergy season. I hope you liked the video. If you have any query, please comment below.
Thanks for watching the video. Please share on social media and subscribe with click on bell icon for upcoming videos.